Welcome. In front of me I have the LEDGER Nano S, and today I'll show you how to install the XRP Wallet to the device. Now, to get started, you will need to download their application, and you can do it either on a computer or on the phone side. It just depends where you want to have it. I'll be using my phone, obviously. That's kind of what's visible right here, and that's also where the wallet is plugged into. But obviously you can use Windows, Mac, Linux, Android or iOS. It really supports virtually every kind of platform. So once you have the program app, you want to open it up. So if you're using Android, I can quickly show you. You can just navigate to the Play Store, search for Ledger Live, and then install it. And from there, once you open it up, you want to navigate to Manage and select your Ledger. And on here, find XRP, obviously. So that's right up here, XRP. Click on install. Now be wary, this device only has a limited amount of storage. As you can see, there is already certain ones that I wouldn't be able to install, like Cordana, Solana, whatever that is, and so on. So the total space right here is, I believe, 144 kilobytes, and it looks like you can only fit about 5, 6, maybe 7 different wallets if you want to. So just remember that. And once the wallet is installed to the Ledger, you will get this pop-up that you need to create an account for it. That is because you just installed the wallet. The wallet doesn't actually have any address behind it yet. So you basically click on the add account and get a address, wallet address, and then you can sync it up with the device. But I'm not going to be going over that, so I'm just going to close it off. And obviously the wallet is here. I just need to scroll through them. As you can see, there it is. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.